Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna make a car video.
Woohoo! He's been waiting for this, huh, buddy?
But first, I want to show you my dinosaurs.
All right. You have how many new dinosaurs do you have since your last video, buddy?
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh my gosh. So he got, I believe it's 2 new dinosaurs since his last video?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, those were already in the videos, but I think you got this one, that one, and this one. So 3 new dinosaurs since the last video. Our house is gonna get full of dinosaurs, buddy.
And also I have the Indoraptor over there.
The Indoraptor, oh yeah. We have 2 of those.
He's holding.
He got 2 of those for his birthday.
Yeah. No, not for my birthday. I got
Yeah.
1. And then.
Oh,
and
you
then,
already, but you already had it.
Yeah.
You're right.
And then Jules give me another one with the
Blanket.
standard thing.
Oh yeah, I remember that. You're right.
And she's holding the guy. She's not gonna eat him. She's his dad.
That's his dad. Beautiful. Let me see him.
I made a Play-Doh. And as you see that green, those are the lines and tape.
Oh,
So I
he's
just
got
made
tape
it
in
like
there.
this.
What a smart boy, buddy. You're so smart.
And I have 2 slimes.
2 slimes.
Yeah. Then you want to see this. You're not going to know where it is.
Soldier Fortune?
Do you think it's going
Oh
to
my
knock
God.
down those?
Oh, definitely, for sure. Okay. Let's set up the race then, or whatever you wanted to show them.
So,
That's a big old bag of toys. It's pretty heavy. I bet you can't lift it 20 times. I bet you can't. There's no way.
yes, I can.
No, there's no way.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5,
5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Dang, I didn't think that.
21, 22,
Oh. He's a silly boy. He's so strong.
First, I have this one, which in the dark, it glows.
No way. Should we try it out? Let's see if we can see it now.
No, we can't see it, only with a little bit of light.
Yeah, it's too bright in here with all the Christmas lights, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tell them where you got those.
I got this at Disney.
Dang, we just went to Disney. We'll insert a few clips of Disney here.
And
Ben! Hey, Marcus! Hurry up!
Go, buddy, go, go, go. Oh! It's a bumpy ride. Whoa. It's almost crashing here. We're almost gonna crash. you ready? Are you ready?
This is the. What's this one? That.
Well, I think that's the Black Panther one.
Holy moly, it
The Black-
is the Black Panther.
The
Let me
Black
see it.
Panther, which has a Black Panther face.
Oh
And
yeah, I
it's really
see it.
fast. We're gonna race them
Holy moly.
on the floor. Now let's check it out. Who is faster, the Black Panther or the GTR? The Aquarium F1 GTR.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
What? Both of them were so slow.
No,
What
I
was
just
that?
didn't-
Did you forget to put gas in them?
No, I just didn't put them that.
Okay, let's
that-
pull him. Both.
that far.
Give him 2 pulls. 1, 2.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, for sure. The McLaren F1 GTR wins.
Yes, look how fast that baby is.
No doubt about it. It gapped.
Okay, so first, that I'm gonna put this one a little farther of it and see if it still can get in front of it.
Okay, we're gonna give him a head start. You ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
No way. There's no way. He's still lost. I think that you need to roll him twice,
Yeah,
Like that. Cause no, look. Oh, much faster. There you go.
Okay, so we're gonna count how fast they are.
All right.
Okay, let's see. 3, 2,
No,
1.
you gotta do this one though. Oh, we're gonna count this
Yeah.
time now. Okay, ready, set, go.
1,
2, 3.
3 seconds.
3 seconds.
1, 2, 3.
Whatever. You're going faster.
No, it's just that.
Cheater, pumpkin eater.
No, I'm testing how long they can go, like how fast, but how long, like how
Okay.
the big number can go.
How about you grab the Black Panther? We time that one again. Mommy will count.
No, that one is so slow.
Just give it to me.
Come on, it's
about
so
these two?
The
slow.
Black Panther. Okay, he doesn't want to do it. Let's go.
BMW versus the Bronco.
Oh shoot! Who's gonna win? My money's on the BMW. My money's on the BMW. It's gonna win for sure.
My money is on the Bronco. The
No,
Bronco
no, there's no
Yes,
way.
yes.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1,
Go!
go!
Go BMW! Go! Whoa! I think they tied. They definitely tied. It seemed like the BMW was gonna win, and then it didn't win.
How they went? So
I thought the Bronco was the fastest one.
We'll show it in slow motion for them to see it.
Go!
How about I go over there on that side and record the end? That way we can view it in slow motion in the video. So we can see who the true winner of the race is.
okay.
So I think we should redo this one. Let's redo it. Ready?
What?
I don't know why this one lost.
Okay.
Hold on, Dad. Hold on.
Okay.
Actually, you first.
3, 2, 1. Ooh.
BMW, come on. Oh, babe.
Oh, I think the BMW took it.
Okay.
I think the BMW wins at first, but I feel like the Bronco.
If in the long distance run, the Bronco would definitely win.
So first, they look like this, right?
Yeah.
No, it looks like this.
Like that.
And then they turn. And then this one passed it.
Yeah, it was last minute and the BMW won.
And then,
Boom!
wait, no. Like,
Okay, buddy.
like that.
All right. Awesome.
So the BMW is way faster.
Yeah, I actually thought the Bronco was gonna win, but I still put my money on the BMW, and it did win.
The electric car versus the Bentley.
Oh man, this one's
That was
gonna be
fast.
a good one.
I think it is. Okay.
3, 2.
2, 1. Go electric!
Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah, the Bentley just went crooked.
Yeah.
But I think regardless,
The electric car wins.
yeah, I think the electric Hummer won anyway.
Yeah.
Ooh, it still had a lot of
Yeah.
spins to go in its tires.
It has a lot of power.
Definitely,
Okay,
a lot of
put on
power.
that. Okay, first tie versus tie. I have 2 of these.
All right.
One is the,
What is that? What car is that?
I don't remember where I got it from. I got it from an eating place. Somewhere, but I don't know.
Chick-fil-A, no?
No, I think it's from. Wait. I don't know.
Me too.
Okay,
Okay, let's go.
moving on.
Woo! 1, 3, 2.
Make sure you're pointing. They're pointing straight because that red one is pointing to me. Over here.
Go!
Go. Oh! The red one stalled. The daddy's won
I
for
don't think
sure.
the red one is like that.
Oh no, you gotta push it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this spider one beat all of those. The red one doesn't even
3, 2, 1,
go
go!
like that.
Oh!
Now we should do the winners. We should do the.
So the BMW wins,
Motorsports.
and then this one. What?
That one lost. Maybe we should do the BMW versus.
No, this one wins.
Yeah.
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 I think a good race is gonna be the BMW versus Spider-Man.
Oh yeah, the Spider-Man car did
yeah.
beat
And then
the
this
Black
one.
Panther. Go.
I'm just gonna put them on these 2 ones.
All right. Sounds like a deal.
Electric Hummer versus the
Black Panther.
Black Panther.
It doesn't say, huh?
Some of them don't say. Are you ready?
This is called a. This is called a Lincoln Hypersport.
Whoa.
Upper sport. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Oh, you're not doing it correctly, sir. Redo. They got a rematch for sure. You need to roll them until they click.
I don't want. No, but when they click too much, they don't go really fast.
They do.
No?
You gotta do it until
It clicks like one time. Just so you know that it's ready to click.
Like this.
Yeah. Okay, let's go back and try this again.
No, I don't want to restart.
You need to stop. Your fans and your friends want to see this race. The race didn't end. Come on.
No, I know, but this one wins.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did. It got in front of this one.
Let's ask your friends in the comments which one won. Do you think they deserve a rematch?
Okay, next.
Comment
one.
down below. Next round.
I do this one.
Bye bye, friends.
Holy moly.
Bye bye, too.
Oh, it drifted.
Oh, man, that went straight to another.
I told you he was ready for a rematch. You didn't allow him the rematch. And look at what happened. I think your fans want the rematch. Come on.
He wants to erase the Spider-Man one.
3,
Oh, I think he does too.
2.
1. Go.
Let's go, Beamer. Oh, no. Over there. That way.
Oh, yeah. You see? I keep
Holy
clicking
moly. You
a lot
gotta
of
click
power.
it. Do it again until it clicks once. There you go.
Wait. Come on. Move out.
Move out the way. Again.
Corvette versus McLaren
There you go.
F1 GTR.
3, 2, 1. Let's go. Rematch. Oh, dang.
What is going on with those?
No, but I think the Corvette won because
Yeah.
whoever gets in front of the other one wins.
Oh yeah, it was definitely faster than the
Yeah.
McLaren.
Like, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was slow.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Ready?
3, go.
1.
Oh, that was definitely
You
fast.
think that was faster? Wait,
No.
Daddy said something. What did you say?
You should do the BMW against the Spider-Man again. I want to see.
Let's do it. I'm down for the rematch. Let's do it.
Rematch.
Spider-Man is over there. Here's BMW.
Okay.
Set it up, sir.
Set it up in the cups. Look how fast I am. Rematch.
He's ready. He's challenging him.
And after that race, I'm gonna race the Spider-Man
And then give me the Bronco.
with this. Oh, definitely.
All right, you ready for this? On your mark. Get set.
2,
Go.
1.
Dang, that BMW is so fast.
Yeah, I literally tried to beat it.
But I don't think that that it can beat the Spider. Let's try it again. Let's do a rematch with Spider and BMW.
There we go.
We're ready.
3,
2.
2, 1. Go.
What?
Oh, it
Yeah,
passed my
Spider won
hand.
for sure. Yeah, they both went under your hand. Really cool.
Yeah.
Spider-Man is the fastest.
Yeah,
car
he's
we
the
have.
fastest one
Yeah, I
of all.
was doing that because whoever gets in my helmet, whoops, they
How about you race Spider-Man crawling as
crash.
fast as you can?
Okay.
You
Spider-Man.
can't catch him. He's a gingerbread man. Are you ready to rumble?
Well, you want to race this one?
Race the BMW after that race like this.
What? All right, you ready for this? On your mark. Get set.
2,
Go.
1.
Off the winner chicken dinner.
Rematch again.
Rematch, 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 rematch. All right. How about Daddy points Spider to me, and then
How about? Okay, let's go.
whoa! That was so cool. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go.
That Bronco was like
Okay, Shelby Cobra versus
Shelby Cobra.
BMW X6.
Oh dang! Come on!
We're ready.
3,
Two.
2, 1. Go.
What?
It
Yeah,
passed my
Spider won
hand.
for sure. Yeah, it passed, they both went under your hand. Really cool.
Yeah.
Spider-Man is the fastest.
Yeah, he's the
Spider-Man.
fastest one
Yeah,
of
I
all.
was doing that because whoever gets in my hand, like, whoops, they
How about you race Spider-Man? Crawling. As
crash.
fast as you can.
Okay.
You
Spider-Man.
can't catch him. He's a gingerbread man. Are you ready to rumble?
Well, you want to race this one?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go!
Wow! Whoa! He's like he's a cheater or something. All right, come show off the winner chicken dinner.
Rematch again.
Rematch, 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 rematch. All right. How about Daddy points Spider to me, and then
How about we do?
you gotta high five me to win. Let's see who wins. Either high five, or the spider touches me.
But how about first we do eeny, meeny, miny, moe? Who points it?
There we go.
Whoever stops at Mo points it and then shoots it to you.
Okay, you ready? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Daddy.
Daddy, come on!
All right, let's race. Come on, cheetah.
Let's race!
Okay.
Okay, this time I'm gonna go a little faster.
No, you have to race like a cheetah and touch my hand before the Spider-Man touches my hand. Like, what? Whoa, did you all see that? That was wild. Okay, let's go, buddy. All right, buddy, come on. Let's go. Right there.
We gotta come right here.
Like
We gotta-
this?
come on. Yeah, but we gotta do the
You're
same.
gonna touch my hand.
3, 2, 1. Go!
Go! Oh, Spider definitely touched me before you. I think we can say that Spider is the ultimate winner of every race. Whoa, you look creepy. Oh, stop. Okay. All
We
right.
haven't tried this one.
You're right. We haven't tried the Disney ones. Let's race the Disney ones against the winner. Put these back where they go. These are not the fastest. Whoa.
Oh, that was really fast.
That is fast. This one's like an actual race car. Oh no. Oh
Who do you think's gonna win, Vincent?
Oh, definitely the Disney one.
no. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. My money's on Disney one too. What's his name?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, this time I'm gonna do this and then
3,
they go
2.
fast.
2, 1.
Go! Whoa! Did you see that? Holy moly! Yeah, this one's definitely
No,
faster.
I think what happened is it's this one's spun tires.
Oh, the tire spin. Okay, then we are going to rematch.
Yeah, but this one goes long.
Yeah, it goes on forever.
Yeah. This one's
pretty
gonna
cool.
be the good race.
All right, let's see. This is the winner.
Okay, hold on. Dad. There's something coming. And whoever gets smashed by this, lose.
No way.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's do it
I'm
then.
making that deal.
On your marks. Get set. Go! Whoa, what the?
dang.
What are they doing?
Oh,
I didn't know. Does that one even go straight? No, it doesn't. it. It's just wonky. Wonky.
Where are the other Disney ones?
They're in a bucket.
In the bucket.
That
Yeah.
drives crazy.
It's just like.
He's definitely not a rule follower.
Yeah, but that one is pretty fast. Oh,
That
damn.
one is okay.
That one's not faster than 92.
Maybe this one?
Here's 92.
92 is little and he's fast.
Yeah, like a little car can't even beat that. That's like, dude, that is freaking fast.
That is so fast.
1.
Did that hit me when
Oh
I
my
died?
gosh, for sure faster. And 92 is the winner. The winner of the night. And now let's crush them.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Hard. They want to go.
Oh,
dang,
Disney! 92! Winner chicken dinner.
92.
He beat our fastest car, which is Spider-Man.
Yeah.
How did he do that? Like what? Okay,
It's because he takes a lot of gas and.
so there's no doubt then. There's no doubt that these Disney ones are faster.
Yeah.
Let's race them against.
Okay. Hold on. How's he gonna show them the other cards? Dang it. I'm just gonna show them one.
Oh, okay.
Very
Sneak
very-
peek. Sneak peek. We'll make another video tomorrow for y'all about these
But let me
cars
just
in the
show
bag.
them one.
Yeah.
That's really, really, really fast, faster than 92. Is it the? You know what it is.
What is it? Oh my goodness, that's so cool. Let's see what it is.
It's a Corvette.
It's a 2019 Corvette ZR1. There you go.
Now can I have it? Now look at this noise. That is so fast. Like look. Look.
Oh, whoa,
That
whoa,
is
whoa.
huge. That is a fast boy right there.
That's super fast.
But bye guys. I'll see you on the next video. It's done.
Okay.